Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I've got another video about sales. So in my last video about sales, I was looking at how we could make the perfect custom offer based upon a conversation that happened on the phone, such as the AI would listen to the call and then optimize an offer to a client based upon the call. Well, today I have another sales related video, except this time we're going to be using a form to gather information to make a custom proposal to a client. The benefits of using this kind of technology mean that we can streamline our sales funnel, meaning that we can talk to the customers and give them a proposal quicker, making it easier to convert them. In this model, we want it to be fully transparent so that the person that is filling out the form knows exactly what they're getting when they create the deal. This video is still part of the Stop AI sales funnel. I'll be showing you more information, and I'm working on a much bigger video coming soon to show you the full onboarding process for clients at Stop AI so you can build similar funnels in your own businesses. So here's an outline of the process. We have the Google form that's aggregated. It sends information into ChatGPT, which is then turned into an email and then a proposal, which is sent to the client in the email. In the last video I did about the custom call, we saw a very similar process to this. If you haven't seen that video, highly recommend you go check it out, and I'll leave something in the pop-out banner above. But let me show you where this kind of flow can be very useful within your business. We'll jump onto the Stop AI website and begin. So we can see here we have this AI agency. It's part of the Stop AI services. So we've got our 2B business here. We want to see the case studies. This is where this form actually lives. And if we scroll down here, we can see they can get an instant quotation for SEO blogging, which is what this case study is about. So let's just say they want the quotation. They want to know how much it costs to get this AI service in their business. Well, here we have the custom form. So once they've clicked onto that, they can fill the custom form. And the custom form here is designed to give people an instant quotation that is customized to their business needs. We still recommend a Zoom call, such as you want to follow up and get to know us and talk to us. That's really useful, but nevertheless, you can fill out the form and get a proposal within seconds. So let's just fill out the form here, and then we'll be able to see how to get the proposal. So I'll just make it in stop.ai so that we can send something to ourselves. See, that's perfect here. And then we can fill this out. So I'll just put my email here, which I'm using, and then phone number don't need, and then the city actually where I live, Thailand. Okay, perfect. So we can just click a box here and we can ask it, do you want stock footage, backlinking, etc., etc. How long do you want the article to be? How much support do you need? Is there a duration, etc., etc. And then once we've got this, we can just press submit, and then we shall get an email instantly. So I'll just go onto my Gmail. I've just opened up my email here so that we can take a look at what it said. So these are actually the services that I ticked. It's repeated back to me what the services are, but it's written in an email. So it said, thank you, Jake, for your interest in Stop AI. We're excited to offer you a personalized package designed to meet your specific business needs. It goes into, with our AI automation services, you'll be able to streamline content creation process, improve your search engine rankings, and drive more traffic to your website. So here's a custom offer. Okay, now these are the ones that I've selected, and it's also given me a monthly price. But what I've also added at the end here is a Google Drive, just to make sure that we've got all the information in one place, as well as a link to book a call if you're interested to discuss more details. So if we just click on the link, it will jump out into this SEO offers folder. You can see here, custom offer proposal for SEO and content services from Stop AI, which means I can just click into this article and I'll be able to see the formalized agreement. You can see inside in more detail. Thank you for expressing your interest in Stop AI. We are pleased to present with you a personalized design package to cater to your unique business requirements. Our AI automation services are tailored to enhance your content creation process. So again, similar to the email, and it breaks it down into a bit more depth and detail, describing each and every single part of that. And then at the end, saying what the commitment is, as well as the support level, and then offering a total fee, which we can also see is totally aligned with the emails so that these are synchronized with each other. We can then book a meeting if we wanted to, book a call and have a call with me or one of the team here to talk about Stop AI. Okay, so let's jump back into the make.com automation process and look at how we've created that to make sure that you can go and do this for your own business and streamline sales. At the start, I've opted for Google Forms. There are other alternatives that you can use out there, such as Airtable is another great one. But the reason that I've gone for Google Forms is merely the integration it has into other platforms that I use, such as Shopify. So if I wanted to embed this article onto my website, I can do that with Google Forms. I can't do that with some of the other solutions that are on the market. So for this one, I've gone for Google Forms. As well as that, I can actually create an AI automation that will take the information from Google Forms and then put that into my database, which I use Airtable. So let's have a look into how it's made. So we've got the custom pricing here. A lot of people are entering this at a time, so it might run more than once. It depends how you want to do it, whether you want to do it on demand or whether you want to do it on a daily frequency and output them all in one go. After it's got the information from the Google Forms, which it actually takes from a spreadsheet here, we then need an aggregator. So I'm asking it to select specific information that I need to then feed into the first ChatGPT module. So we've got the first module here, and we've told it in the system, you are a sales manager. So I've been asked this a few times recently. What is the difference between system, user, and assistant? Well, system is there to really set the baseline parameters for what you want the AI to do. So in this occasion, we're setting in the system that it is a sales manager. We're not asking it to specifically execute any tasks. We're just merely setting in the parameters so the system knows what its function is. Then we've got the user. We want it to extract information. Okay, so action, extract from the data, the prompt being extract the following information from the submission. So we've got the full array here. It's extracting all the information about what it needs to produce. On top of that, we've got more detail. So we're using the assistant here. Generate a custom offer based on the extracted data. So it actually has a rundown already of all the data, but we've given it a template, almost a format for it to be able to do that. And what we've done is we've said, what is the service type? So we just click on here and we have a drop down and we can see the questions that we've done. So for example, blog length, we have here blog length. We've got the service type here, and we've ticked a bunch of answers, so there's more than one answer that we can see. Support level, okay, we just dropped support level. Commitment duration, okay, we fetch and we drop in the commitment duration. The length of article. What we've then done is asked it to calculate the total costs based upon the submission. So in the form, we actually have the cost there. So we're being very transparent with the people that are using the service so that they know that there's no magic behind the scenes. It's not a hidden box, but we want the AI to be able to calculate the cost and be accurate when sending quotations to our potential customers and clients. So we've told it what the prices are for each package. From there, we use the user again. So we're asking it, follow this template, dear first name. So we grab the name from the flow control, from the aggregator, and we ask it to fill in this information here. okay, and produce a total offer. So it will produce the total offer in line with this document. And then we've asked it to output that in HTML and then to remove this HTML function, which we often get when we output in HTML in OpenAI. It's a bit annoying, but it's always one of those things to have. Okay, great. So moving on from there, we want to then create an email. So the email, we're asking it to produce the email based upon the results. Then we have the output rules. I like to have quite strict output rules. You may have seen in my other videos that sometimes I do this, but I put the output rules in there so that it knows how to write the email and it writes it in a very specific way every time. We want to ensure that it's consistent and compelling. So the output is compelling and introduces why they need the AI automation service. Well, we can click in right here and see that. With our AI automation, you'll be able to streamline your content creation process, improve the search results, and drive more traffic to your website. Okay, so it's given it a very compelling reason for why you want to buy this SEO service. Okay, start the email with hi name, end the email with kind regards. Do not leave any placeholders, e.g. your name. I've mentioned in previous videos, it's very important to do this because OpenAI sometimes without a lot of context will say, hello, Jake, I am from Stob AI, and it won't know what to do because it won't know whether it's writing a template for a human to use or whether it's pretending to be a human. And in this case, it's an AI agent. We want it to be a sales assistant. So we're telling it, do not leave placeholders, and also do not write the subject line into the body of the text so it knows it's the text body. And then remember all these output rules. Start the formatting in HTML and remove this annoying thing that often happens when outputting in HTML. Okay, from there, moving forward, we want a short proposal title. The title is based upon the results, so it knows what services people have actually selected, so then it can make the custom title. We want the title to be flexible just in case people pick different things. So as an example, it might say your SEO plus backlinking because it knows what services people have clicked inside the form. From there, we want to create a Google Drive. The Google Drive folder will be in the SEO offers, and what that means is that me as a business, I have an organized set of folders that is available for me to view and the client. Other people won't be able to access it because it's built on a shared drive where they're not the admin, but they will be able to view it, and that's what we want. We want people to be able to go, okay, click, I can see the document, I'm not an admin, but I can see it on the shared Google Drive, and then upload the actual document into that folder. So to get the document's location, we need the folder ID, and on this occasion, we just need to click folder ID in here. The content will be dragged from the first module where it creates that initial custom proposal based around the template that we have formatted for it. From there, we want to then get the shared drive link. So the document goes in here and we get the shared drive link from here, and we can add that at the bottom of our proposal, and we can get the content from the email, which is outputted in HTML, so it will work. Add the link at the bottom and then add community@Stob AI, as well as the email addresses that have been inputted in the original form. So if we just go down here and click, we can just go click, put the email address in there, and it will send the email to the person that filled in the form. And that is how we create custom offers and have the AI calculate how much an offer should be worth upon somebody filling in the form, so that they can get an instant proposal, email from you, book a call, schedule a demo, know what they're getting, and help improve the efficiency at which you can close sales in your business. Super quick, super simple, but so useful for you guys out there to go and use and make sure that you can convert more people, get more paid customers, and help the world be a better place. So a short video there of how you can build a form onto your website to give people instant quotations, start an email conversation, get them booked in, get a demo, and increase your closure rate. These AI automations are designed to enhance productivity, speed up workflows, and ultimately take one of those repetitive tasks from the sales manager's job and give it to the AI. We have plenty more content like this to come, and in the future, I'll be giving a breakdown on how we sell and onboard to all of our clients here at Stop AI so that you can take our practice, put it into your business, and see how AI automation can be applied to speed up your sales pipeline. I'll leave a link right down underneath this video so you can go and play with it and fill out the form, and then you can see that this solution can work. If it works for me, it can definitely work for you. If you found this video useful and valuable, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.